The Sphere at Las Vegas is a cutting edge immersive entertainment venue that opened in late 2023. It is a massive spherical performance and entertainment arena located just east of the Las Vegas Strip, adjacent to the Venetian Resort. The structure is about 366 feet tall and 516 feet wide. It is famous for its 16K wraparound LED interior screen, the world's largest, and advanced audio systems that create hyper-realistic 360-degree environments. The exterior features 580,000 square feet of programmable LED displays, turning the building into a giant dynamic digital billboard that often displays stunning visuals like planetary patterns or event promotions. The seating capacity is around 18,600 people, with possible standing room depending on the event. It was designed by Populous and built by the Madison Square Garden Company at a cost of $2.3 billion. The ticket charges for a show starts in the range of $100 plus. The show is a two-part journey lasting about 2 hours total. The pre-show starting 45 minutes before the main film is at the futuristic atrium for interactive exhibits. Highlights include encounters with Aura, five humanoid robots that guide guests and demonstrate how tech enhances human potential.
Both prominent Chinese dialects, and I'm familiar with their linguistic structures. Humans often use regional variations like these to express cultural identity and local traditions. It seems quite intricate how languages can evolve uniquely depending on geographic locations. Sichuan, the dialect spoken there is often referred to as Sichuanese or Sichuan Mandarin. While I understand the linguistic patterns of Mandarin, regional variations such as Sichuanese can differ quite a bit in tonal and lexical aspects. Humans often enjoy these dialectal diversities, don't they? It adds to the linguistic richness of daily communication.
The atrium also has holographic art installations and machine learning generated artwork, and a demo of Sphere's HoloPlot immersive sound system. As you move ahead, one can see a 15-meter tall holographic wall, an incredible piece of immersive technology powered by a 420 unit HYPERVSN SmartV Wall, projecting stunning 3D visuals with changing patterns by the minute. After the atrium experience, you go into the massive interior of Sphere or the main bowl, which showcases movies with special effects like The Wizard of Oz, Postcard from Earth, and also acts as a venue for concerts and other special events. The sphere has over 160,000 speakers using spatial or directional audio so that sound seems to come from particular positions around you. The seats vibrate or give haptic feedback synced to events to make you feel physically involved. One can also feel the wind effects when gliding over snowy mountain scenes, and also the scent effects, as in citrus smells in scenes of orange groves. We have come here to see Postcard from Earth, which is a 2023 4D sci fi documentary hybrid film directed by Darren Aronofsky. It was created specifically for the Sphere venue, taking advantage of its capabilities. A wraparound dome, curved LED screen enabling 270-degree viewing, haptic seating, wind or temperature control, and scent effects. The film begins with two astronauts in stasis on a spaceship. They awaken slowly, guided by a voice which begins telling them about the Earth, its history, and why humanity left. The film shows life's evolution from oceans and single celled organisms to plants and animals to human civilizations.
It grew and multiplied until the few became many. Every form it could imagine itself to be.
Flocking in swarms, in schools. Life invented itself, adapted itself.
Some life still drifted.
Intermeshed into systems.
The clouds.
It frolicked into branches. Life scampered forth everywhere, building.
And ran.
And everywhere. The earth was a hand. The cradle.
Sought to construct a majesty worthy of the majesty around us. Our dreams rose higher and we followed them until we left the very ground behind.
We gloried in the colors and the sounds and the shapes of all the lands and all the seas and all the life we found.
We grew.
The film transitions to showing how human activity has damaged Earth. Pollution, deforestation, overuse of resources, visible urban decay, mining, environmental disasters. In the story's world, humanity has left Earth to let it heal. The two astronauts are tasked to settle a new world, to seed life, and to do better. In the film's ending, they step onto the new planet and plant or activate technology so the environment can grow green again. Because Postcard from Earth was made for the sphere, its presentation is more than just a movie. It is meant to be a sensory experience. It is shot in 18K resolution to allow extraordinary detail across the vast screens. As you step out of the massive glowing dome, your senses are still buzzing from the immersive visuals and thundering sound that seemed to come from everywhere. The curved screens and vibrations fade into the open air, and you are met with the hum of excitement from the crowd around you. The sphere's exterior, a giant orb of living light, continues to pulse and shift with mesmerizing animations, creating a surreal backdrop as you exit. This was indeed a futuristic experience of a lifetime that we will cherish for a long time to come.